Welcome to Elsa's Cooking Diary. Today, I'm going to share the recipe of an upside down mango cake. This is an easy 2-layered mango cake that can be easily baked at home. The richness of mango takes this cake to another level. Let's get started. For the first layer, we need to caramelize sugar. Heat a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts to melt, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Use a whisk or a wooden spatula to stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves. Allow the mixture to thicken. At this stage, you will start noticing bubbles appearing in it. Take it out of the stove and pour it onto a 7-inch pan. Make sure you have greased the side of the pan before you pour this mixture. Place small mango pieces over the syrup. Make sure you don't leave any space between the mango pieces. This is to ensure that the pieces don't move around when you pour in the second layer. We are done with the first layer. Set this aside. Let us now prepare our second layer, that is our cake batter. Take a mixer grinder. Add half cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Beat them for about few seconds till everything has been combined well. In a bowl, take about 57 grams of unsalted butter, which is about 3 to 3/4 tablespoons. Add 120 grams of condensed milk to this. Use a whisk and beat it continuously till the butter melts and you get a smooth and creamy mixture. Take another bowl and sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give this a quick stir and set it aside. And carefully pour the beaten egg mixture into the condensed milk mixture we have prepared. Gently mix them till both the mixtures have combined well. Now add the dry ingredients into this. Use a whisk to gently mix the batter. Make sure there are no lumps and that you've got a smooth batter. Now use a spatula and gently fold the batter. Pour the batter over the first layer that you have prepared. Reheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Bake the cake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick that you insert in the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, allow it to cool down. Refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours. Run the knife around the edges. Place a plate over the cake pan and very carefully flip it. Our upside down mango cake is ready. Trust me, it's delicious. Do try out this recipe at home. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to never miss an update from this channel.